so much. Now we'd like to invite our next contestant, who is very much ready to perform on stage. ZENNGAIHSANG, New Lamka, Manipur. Tangina ni, duna ZENNGAIHSANG e chata ka zai turin, zulsak na kanlane.
Duyên nói sim lệ lung lên khờ thăng số bằng cả hial building này lâu cả ra lung ngọc kia chính là cái gió mũ dâu toàn kết hoa hồng nhà riêng nghi hồng xóa kilang dan naong lo kanun na say thanem tuidu in bai kataon mo na te hong ai sakhi van gik pwa gim mite o hong pai wan to dam na kong pyaring chi lệ tung hồng kia xia zong cả cầm mal mang thang ấy lâu đi cả ZOU ZOU hi lệ tung cả ZOU ZOU hi ba xiang tu nô sinh làm te tu kỳ cầu nang bekalum wanahi thei taing siano na lau kamu bang ơi an bang hôn ni ve te piom lo nong ít na dây lan san hi tôi pi tung qua zin bang Tom kali lungtang na hui pile tui wal din hong boy sak zeli thang van don mai mit swani lung hei ken van gik tua gim mi deo hong pai won to dam na kong pyarin chi lệ tung hong xia zong cả cầm mal mang thang ấy lâu đi cả ZOU ZOU hi lệ tung cả ZOU ZOU hi ba xiang tu đâu sinh làm te tu kỳ cầu
sang. Itu akan saya thêm.
Oh, saya thêm.
Okay. Oleh, tu nak cuan kena diktu te, tu kau jangan ai thap padang.
Hello, Sang.
Hello.
You look so beautiful, first of all.
Thank you.
I'm so sorry that I didn't notice you in the first two round, first round and second round. But from top 30, you start improving yourself and you showed us what you've got. So you've got more and more improvement. And right now, you're one of the strongest contestants in this show.
Thank you.
And I love your song tonight. I love your music. I love your song, the chord, and every expression, and your stage performance also.
Thank you.
I'm so. I really, really love it.
Thank you so much.
Cái po khá khá ron trom puya tir lam ai ni ron che tha chau zel maya mi zo pa in buan thiam kung ni an soi an ne lo che pa mo ti turin abuan chawa an ne chau vek thu gen tiang deuh khan tira chang khanin beng vir takini ron chengal chuang lawa amaro chu shoron kal chho zela improvement kha iron phor chuak zel maya thuruk mo top 10 china ron phor tur ti te hi nei mo ti turania chuwang chuanin zan in po soisel tur wang khop mai a chang khan tle mine ron chang lut tu kha ar iron khuang chep mo ti turin arit le luai chep china ma se break up man le chia china alom om khop mai ka be sei sang khop mai che til dang chu soi tam lo meang
Hello, mẹ.
Sangi
Hi.
nahi hoi lo ama kon ke pak pi mama allo ton kha aniam lam kha nangin nal dewa bol nahi dia mo nal dewin bol le chun le athu khamin athei thei ke ya le chu banga hoi lo e be mo future kha lo ton naman chianga kha athu le a o kha style le hi thodi athu le min thei ve ve thodi chi dan deu kha nanangai to di kon dei sa adang teng kha hoi vek hi mo sangi hoi a hoi kon sa siam kon salwa pathianin han bol zol to ta hen o
Ke pa ke.
Hello. Hello. Hello, Sang.
Hello.
You look so beautiful.
Thank you so much.
And then I love your voice a lot. Siam bell ma.
Pa ke.
Your voice so smooth from the low to the top to the highest point. All the transition and everything, and the piano parts and the loudest parts, everything goes so smoothly. I like your stage performance. I like your confidence. I can see through it. You know yourself. You can do it. So you got a lot in you. And avec pi ZOU hang hi mo. Tawplam tu pang petayan mo.
Ke pa ke.
Ale lo ome sang sang hi aron sai mai buin chu avon hian min vuan o ma fel pathum na ka zai tu lo watia chuan ka thak thei lo ka thu lo ka tia a nervous em ma mai ro chu a nervous angai to chuan aron zai thale maya. Are you happy with your performance?
Yes, I'm very happy.
Okay, that's great. We'll save the Thanksgiving for tomorrow, but is there anything else you want to say before you leave the stage?
Yes. Hiai ka check ma I hon siam sak hon bo sakha palian ke nga ke pa thu hai pen ka gen te te ngai kha we make the check like 3 times and 4 times around because we use only keyboard and guitar ma, and it's really hard to sometimes really hard to follow, but he make it beautifully. So I want to thank him very much for this check. That's all.
All right. Thank you so much for whoever made the track, and we wish you all the very best in the next performance, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you. Canadian stay in Fila, Amaru Jin Chashung.